10-year-old boy diagnosed with a rare condition after contracting COVID will have to lose his legs later this week. Angeline McCall telling us about his case and what his mom wants other parents now to know.
A 10-year-old boy is recovering from Miss C here at Helen DeVos Children's Hospital. It's a condition that is a result of COVID. Doctors have told his mother that he is the worst case that they've seen in the state, and he will need to have his legs amputated as a result of his condition.
He was having a hard time breathing. He was incontinent. He just wasn't himself.
That was after 10-year-old Deshaun Jamison had been infected with COVID-19.
And so I took his temperature and it was really high. So I knew something was wrong then, so I took him in.
Doctors soon told his mom, Brittney, he had a rare condition affecting children called Miss C. He is one of just 21 patients who have been treated by Spectrum Health for the syndrome that can develop after a COVID infection. The exact cause is still unknown.
There's thought that there could be a genetic trigger, but we just don't know yet what that genetic trigger is or if it affects some populations more than others. We've seen Miss C happen to children of all pediatric ages, races, and genders as well. So there's still quite a bit that we are learning about Miss C.
Dr. Rosemary Olivero says parents should watch for warning signs like a fever, redness in the eyes, any type of rash and vomiting or diarrhea. Deshaun had developed many of those symptoms, which had continued to get worse while in the hospital.
They say don't question God, but I don't understand why my son. I wouldn't want it to happen to anybody else's child, but why me?
Doctors plan to amputate both of his legs, telling his mom he has no feeling or movement in them any longer.
It was really hard. It was really hard. I just think about, like, once it's done, like, how will his life be afterwards, you know? Like, he likes to play soccer and he likes to do things, and it's hard.
Doctors are optimistic Deshaun will recover, and his mom is hopeful he will one day gain the same level of independence he had before.
Him to be walking again with prosthetics, that's the goal. Other than that, they're just taking it day by day to see how he does.
If you would like to donate to the family's GoFundMe page, we have the link at our website, fox17online.com. Reporting in Grand Rapids, Angeline McCall, Fox 17 News.